Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Apple Watch Ultra 2 not showing weather. Are you having trouble that your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is not showing weather? Don't worry, in this video we will help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Fix 1. Check location services. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services and ensure it is turned on. On your Apple Watch Ultra 2, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services and make sure it's enabled. 2. Reset the weather app. Press and hold the side button on your Apple Watch Ultra 2 until the power off slider appears. Force touch the power off slider and tap on reset. This will reset the weather app. 3. Adjust default location. Open the watch app on your iPhone. Go to My Watch, Weather, Default City and select a specific city instead of the current location. 4. Reset your iPhone settings. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, then Privacy and Security, Location Services. Scroll down on Tap Weather. Under Allow Location Access, tap Never, then tap on Original Settings. If the weather data still doesn't load, try these steps. On your iPhone, open Settings app. Then tap General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then reset location and privacy. If prompted, enter your passcode and reset. Check whether the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.